Working perfectly fine. Not working. Working. Of course it's working. What am I talking about? Have you ever bought a brand new floodlight only to find out that you don't have any cables sticking out from it? How to connect it? Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect this brand new floodlight without any wiring to this electrical plug so we can connect everything to electrical outlet so we can have a light, right? Now right here we are going to work with a current of 220 volts, so if you don't have any electrical experience, please work with someone who has some electrical experience so you don't get hit by the current. That is not a cool thing to get hit by. First we will open up this back side of this floodlight. Alright. As you can see right here we have 3 connectors inside of this floodlight. Now because we don't have any marks around here, we are gonna go by common sense. We will say that this yellow is ground, the brown one is the phase, and this white one will be neutral. Actually I have found some markings from this side of floodlight, so we have here light, grounding and neutral. So basically just like we guessed. Now to connect this floodlight to this plug right here, we are going to need one extension cable like this one right here. You can buy this cable in your electrical store, or you can check out the links in the description. I got some of these cables and also some of these connectors right in there. After we connect this extension cable to the floodlight, right here on the other end we have this one connector with only 2 wires, because this plug right here has only 2 wires in it. But that is not a problem, because this neutral wire we can isolate it with insulation tape like this one right here. Check all the wires to make sure they cannot get out. Good, and good. We have good connection. Now to connect this cord, just connect brown with brown and blue with blue. And like always, make sure this connection is pretty tight. Alright, I have this extension cord right here, but before I plug this in, make sure not to touch this part right here or this part right here behind, because everything is a little bit open. We haven't put on the insulating tape, so if you touch somewhere around there while it's plugged in, it's hospital party for you, probably, because maybe there are some wires here that are wide open, and if you touch this wire, ding ding, electricity will hit you. Nice. Not nice. Why not nice? Okay. It's on the sensor. But cool. Okay. Don't touch anything. Poof. Nice. Let's put insulating tape on this one right here, and let's close this back part. I like to be generous with this insulating tape. You can never be too careful when it comes to current and electricity. We have it secured here. We have it secured here on the back side, so basically we can carry it around however we want. Let's put it in. Working perfectly fine. Not working. Working. Of course it's working. That's it. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so you can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Oh shit.